Assalamualaikum and very good day to everybody. I am Teacher Suzy. Today's topic that we are going to learn is Chapter 1, Pattern and Sequences. Within this topic, there is a few learning standards that you need to achieve. 1.1. Recognize and describe patterns of various numbers, sets, and objects based on a real-life situation, and hence make generalization on pattern. Tajuk hari ini ialah pola dan jujukan. Di dalam tajuk ini, ada beberapa standard pembelajaran yang perlu murid-murid kuasai. 1.1. Mengenal dan memerihalkan pola pelbagai set nombor dan objek dalam kehidupan sebenar. Dan seterusnya, membuat rumusan tentang pola. We now look at Learning Standard 1.1, Subtopic 1.1.1, Recognizing Number Patterns. Look at the picture. Who has experience doing this activity during their primary school? Usually in pendidikan seni kelas or perhaps science class. From this activity, you are producing a different type of pattern from a different object in your surrounding. What is pattern? Pattern is repeating shapes or numbers arranged based on rules and design. This is example of pattern in numbers. How can we describe pattern? For this example, this is how we describe pattern. Describe pattern, add 3 to the previous number. Add 3 to the previous number. Next, how to describe the pattern for these numbers? Subtract 5 from the previous number. Pattern can illustrate the relationship between the numbers in a sequence. Now, tell me what is the pattern on this example. Look at the numbers. The number is increasing. 3, 6, 12, 24, 48. So, the number is increasing. The arithmetic operation involved must be either addition or multiplication. Do you have any idea? Great! It is multiply the previous number by 2. 3 times 2 equal 6. 6 times 2 equal 12. 12 times 2 equal 24. 24 times 2 equal 48. So, the pattern is multiply the previous number by 2. What about the other list? -1, 3, -9, 27, -81. What is the pattern? The pattern is multiply the previous number by -3. In pattern and sequences, even and odd number also include in it. For even number is a number divisible by 2. It means when you divide any pointed number by 2, the answer will be complete or round number and don't have any remainder. Example of even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Odd numbers is a number that are not divisible by 2. When you divide the given number by 2, the answer you will get is in decimal or have remainder. Example of odd numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Example 3. Given a series of numbers 7, 12, 17, 22, 27, until 67. Identify and state the pattern for the sequence of 1. Odd numbers. Solution. First step. Complete the list number. Complete the list number from 7 until 67 according to the pattern. Second step. Arrange odd numbers in order, such as 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, and 67. We can see the pattern here. These odd numbers were obtained by adding 10 to the previous number. That is how we describe the pattern. Another example of pattern and sequences is Pascal Triangle. What is Pascal Triangle? Pascal Triangle was known as Yang Hui's Triangle by the Chinese and illustrated using magic square and magic circle. In Pascal Triangle, number 1 will be on the left and right side of the triangle. It starts with number 1 as well at the top of the triangle. The next number can be obtained by adding the two numbers above. For example, in this Pascal triangle, what is the number that we can put in the pink circle? Okay, the number here can be obtained by adding the two numbers above, which is 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 equal 2. We complete third row. Next, we must proceed with the fourth row. We already knew on the left and the right side. We need to fill the orange part. 1 plus 2 equal 3. That is the answer. 1 plus 2. Here, the above two number. And the other orange on the right side is 2 plus 1. Also 3. And we proceed to the green on the left side. Okay, how do we get the green? It is 1 plus 3 equal 4. And 3 plus 3. Three plus 3 equal 6. Next is 3 plus 1 equal 4. Next, we need to fill the purple, the pink, dark pink or indigo. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 equal 5. 4 plus 6. Okay. 4 plus 6 equal 10. 6 plus 4 equal 10. 4 plus 1 equal 5. And lastly, 5 plus 1 equal 6. 5 plus 10 equal 15. 10 plus 10 equal 20. 10 plus 5 equal 15. 5 plus 1 equal 6. That is how we fill in the rest of the triangle. Let's check the answer. Now, try to complete the Pascal Triangle. Look at the triangle. What number can we fill inside this square? Remember, all the left side and right side of Pascal Triangle must be number 1. Number 1. Okay, and the number here can be obtained by adding the two numbers above it. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, the same going for the rest of the boxes, the blank box. I hope you try it by yourself before you reveal the answer. Fibonacci numbers are pattern of numbers that start with 0, 1, 1. The next term is obtained by adding the previous two terms. Okay. The next term is obtained by adding the previous two terms. This is the next term. This next term is obtained by adding these previous two terms. Okay. So, this is the example. Okay. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 1 plus 2 equal 3. 2 plus 3 equal 5. And so on. Complete the number sequence below. 0, 1, 1. This is the solution. Patterns are lists of numbers or objects arranged following a rule or design. A pattern in a list of numbers is obtained from addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division of the previous numbers, whereas patterns in objects is obtained by observing the arrangement of the previous object. From this diagram, number patterns consist of 4 that you need to remember. One is odd number pattern. Second is even number pattern. Third is Fibonacci number. And lastly is Pascal Triangle. So, after our lesson today, I want you to do self-practice 1.1. Okay, copy the question, draw the picture, and complete the rest of the pattern. How are you going to do it in exercise book? First, use a small square book. Second, spare 2 or 3 squares from the left of your book and make a straight vertical line. Use only black pen. Write day and date at the top and underline. And write the topic Self-Practice 1.1. This is an example. This is, you write date, day, and the date, and the topic here. You spare a few space here and draw a vertical straight line. I think that is our lesson today. Thank you very much.